Hi there. Well, I'm trying to put together a journal for the ATLAS Botanica. I thought I'd just show you the very start of it and how I'm putting some pages together. So I printed off the actual designed pages. They are so beautiful. I've got to ink up the edges yet, and of course I want to slipping in some pages between these, although they do go together so well. But it's always nice to add some extra pages. I love the way that comes through onto that page. I've printed the plain page on the back of that one. So I found some out of my book, some botanical images which I'm going to make pockets for. I think they all seem to go quite well with the colours, so I'm probably going to have a few pockets in there. And this is another page I found which I might use as a whole page, or I could use it as an envelope. This is an old diary page, so I thought I'd use the bee image, and there's a little feather there. Another page out of one of my old charity shop books, so that will go quite nicely with the colours and the theme. And then I have some encyclopedia pages. I was trying to find something botanical, and I could find some images, but of course there's lots of other things on the page, so I might tea dye these so they're not so white, and make some pockets, or oh gosh, it's got placenta there. Not sure I want that in the Botanical Journal, but you never know. And a nice image there, and that's a beautiful page. I've got some butterflies out of another book and some moths, so I thought they would go nicely with the theme. And some, I thought this picked out from the collage page there, so I'll use that in some way. That's just an odd page I had. And then I found a music page, and called Sunshine Shower, so that's quite nice. Make either a page out of that or some envelopes. And then this one, I thought that was beautiful, and I thought that would go with the theme. I'd have it as a whole page there. Could have it that way. So we've got quite a few images that will go quite nicely in the whole journal. And then I've pressed some flowers. I'll give you the link below. It was Nina Ribena. I used her method for pressing these, and they've come out really beautifully. That was a passion flower. Lost its colour, but I guess it would have done if I'd pressed it between, you know, in a flower press. I mean, this took minutes to do, and it's got a nice coating on from the paper she suggested to use. So I'll link that below for for you to see rather than me repeat it. And that's lavender, a beautiful Irish rose, kept all its colour, absolutely gorgeous. And this is Montbretia, just out in the garden at the moment. Beautiful oranges, and the lovely big daisy. I also did some petals. I'm not sure what I'll do with these at the moment. Quite a few there. Oh, that's a beautiful stamen of the passion flower. I did it separately because it was it stood up so proud. I mean, I've got a lot of these flowers in the garden at the moment. Beautiful purples. I just wanted to show you the paper that I'd pressed them in, and the passion flower, or the colour, has come out onto the paper. So I'm definitely going to use this paper in some way, either as a page, or a little pocket, or a little bag that I'll make. And I've got some lovely mark making from the pages. This one is the stamen from the passion flower. Beautiful. So I've got a lot to get on with there, and I'll come back when I've got on a bit further. So bye for now. Back again. I've printed the other parts of the pack, so the ephemera. So I printed some of them on white cardstock, so they're all ready to go. These are the belly bands, and I've just got to ink the edges. I've done some of them, and these cards and tags, I printed those on cardstock, but some of them I wanted on thicker card that obviously wouldn't go through the printer. Now this is just packaging card that's come through the post, and I always hold on to bits that I think are going to be useful. So I'm going to glue these on here and then cut them out. That's one lot, and then this lot on here. So that's a bit of work to do. And the page tabs, I don't want them on quite such thick card, but I do want them, I didn't want them on cardstock either, because they're difficult to bend then. But I wanted them on something a bit thicker than the photocopy paper. So I use this lining paper, which I get from a DIY store, and it comes on a roll, and there's a load on it. This is, I mean, I've used tons of it, and it's about £2. I think people use it underneath their actual wallpaper. So that's very useful, and it goes on and on forever. The only thing is it curls up a lot, so you have to roll it the other way just to make it a bit straighter. So I'm going to stick these on here, cut them out, and the tickets I put on the lining paper, and the envelopes. So I'll do all that and then I'll show you how I'm going to put them all together. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I've finished the cover for the Atlas Botanica. I'm going to put a label on, maybe a nameplate, and I've put, it's still wet at the moment, I've put a backing of some brown fabric, and so I'm just going to let that dry. I've got my pages ready, I've got my tags onto card, so the next stage is to put it all together. So that'll be part 2 when I'm decorating some pages, and I'll do that on camera. But for now, I've just shown you how I'm putting the first bits together, and I don't want to make the video too long, so we'll come back for part 2 of how we make up all the bits and pieces for Atlas Botanica. So see you again soon. Happy crafting. Bye for now.